Alright, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a steakhouse burger. Now, this is going to be shot a little weird because I was having camera issues with the battery constantly dying on me. So what we have here is roughly a red onion that I've sliced up fairly thin. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of whiskey, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And then we're just going to cook until this basically caramelizes. Take 10 to 15 minutes, and then do keep it on a low heat. Now, as you can see here, those onions are starting to really caramelize. I've got it on a low heat. And we're going to be adding some burgers. These are third-pound patties, 80-20. Okay, and then I just added the seasoning. I just decided to pick up this Weber seasoning, give it a shot. It's actually really good. The reason I got the idea is I was watching, I think, Barbecue Pit Wars or one of those competition barbecue shows, and one of the guys who won used it, so I figured I'd give it a shot. It's actually really good. Not quite as good as a spice blend you make yourself, but it gets the job done. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. One last thing to do, we gotta add the cheese. So the first cheese we're gonna be adding to these is, as you can obviously tell, Swiss. Again, I think Swiss goes really well with burgers like these, but we're not done yet. They're third pounds, so you need a second type of cheese. And, of course, the second type, American. Good old-fashioned American. Put it in a nice little Star of David, and we'll be ready to plate this up. Okay, so let's make this burger. First thing you want to do, lay down about 4 strips of bacon. Now, I did pepper the bacon, but that's certainly optional. Some fried salami. Your patty, those caramelized onions we made earlier, and then just, your condiments of choice. I just decided to go with the classic ketchup and mustard, and that's really it. Of course, drop the damn bottle of ketchup on the mustard. And that's it. That's a steakhouse burger. Done.